So, students, see, four options are given. A, B, match the following. C, D, 4. C, dispersion of the aluminum hydroxide by small quantity of AlCl3. So, to the aluminum hydroxide, a small amount of the electrolyte AlCl3 is added. Then what happens? It is converted into that is a colloidal system. See, to convert the precipitate into that is a colloidal system, colloidal solution, that is small amount of the AlCl3 is added, that's the electrolyte is added, which containing the common ion. That process is called as the peptidation. So A is E. Addition of large quantity of AlCl3 in A. To this large quantity of this is added, then what happens to the colloidal system? If you add the large quantity of the electrolyte, then what happens? Flocculation takes place. That is coagulation takes place. Flocculation and coagulation is one and the same R. The third one is the C is the solution of the hemoglobin in water. See, the heme, ferron, these are all the molecular colloids, macromolecular colloids. That is, the molecule itself has the size of colloidal particles. So, starch and this is hemoglobin, this comes under the category of this. This is C, P is correct. This is chromatographic separation of the, normally the mixture of the compounds, mixtures are separated by a procedure known as the chromatography, where the that works according to the adsorption principle, and different components of the mixtures will have the different adsorption abilities. So that is selective adsorption principle. That is D. That is for D, the Q is correct. See, this is the correct pairing. For A, peptidation. For B, flocculation. For C, macromolecular colloid. That is the D, that is there the selective adsorption principle is working in the separation of the mixtures, right? This 2. Now let me write the A, B, C, D to pair up. Check up this one. Check up the coagulation, conversion of the colloidal solution into precipitate, coagulation. So what is correct? Scattering, washing of precipitate, purification of the colloids, electrolytes is correct. By adding the electrolyte, we can carry out the coagulation. So S is correct. The process of conversion of the colloidal solution into suspension is called as the coagulation. To carry out the coagulation, more common procedure is by adding the electrolyte. So yes is correct. And lyophilization, keep that aside. Peptidation is the washing of the precipitates. Precipitate is peptidation is the washing of the precipitate with electrolyte. That is the C. Q is correct. Now, Tyndall effect, scattering of the light. The leftover option for the B is only, that is purification of the colloids. That is R. So that lyophilization, that is purification of the colloids, eliminating that is unwanted electrolyte, excess of electrolyte from the solution is called as the lyophilization. That is this is the so for A, S is correct. This is the this one. Now third one is the, see, some gold number. See, A, let me write the again. A, B, C, D. Gold number. See here, solvent, heating, coagulation, gold number. Protective colloids. This is the protective colloids are added to the lyeophobic colloids to increase their stability. By adding the protective colloids the stability of the leophobic colloids can be increased. See, gold number is the property of the protective colloids. In the pairing, the R to AR. Leophobic. That is, leophobic relation is solvent hating. So that is related to the leophobic is related to the solvent. Yes. C. If the solvent hating instead of heating here P, if that is in a hating, then it will match with the B. See now C. And butter is an emulsion. Butter is an emulsion. That is TU. And this is Hartley and Sulji rule is the related to the coagulation, right? That is Q. Now micelles, that is associated colloids, ST. This is the relation between the pairing of the. So that is for this the relevant terms for these things are the from column 2 is this. Now purple caseous in metallurgy, you see it is a gold salt. Gold colloidal solution on tin dioxide is called as the purple caseous. This is gold salt. So again let me write the A, B, C, D, E. What is this? Purple caseous gold salt Q. B. Cheese is a gel. Solid, more of solid, less of liquid. Liquid in solid type. Gel. And dialysis, purification of the colloidal solutions. So this is C. This one. D. Brownian movement, Robert Brown. Water loving colloids, hydrophilic colloids. Yes. Simple, very simple. So, see, if you know the theory, it is easy to pair up what is there. So, liquid dispersed in A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E. So, I have taken the column A from column B. Liquid dispersed in air, what aerosol, right? Liquid in gas type, colloid is called as the air, aerosol, that is Q. Tyndall effect. See, ultra microscope is determined based on the Tyndall effect. Or hydrophobic, that is and hydrophobic colloids are, see this is the in this one irreversible colloids. Hydrophobic are, hydrophilic are reversible, hydrophobic are irreversible. Preparation is very difficult. Once separated, again it cannot be converted into a colloidal solution just by adding solvent. Therefore C is the, that is S corresponding term. Coagulation, that is and sewage disposal, this is D. Sewage disposal and R separation. And electrophoresis, see this is also coagulation, smoke precipitation also coagulation, but there we use the electrophoresis, that is electrodes are used. So that is charged, smoke is passed between the two charged plates, that is smoke is a negatively charged colloidal solution, it moves towards the positively charged electrode and there it loses the this one. Electrophoresis is smoke precipitator, that is and soap is a emulsifying agent. In the preparation of the emulsion, that is soap to be used, that is E is the, that is P is correct. This is the correct pairing of this one, right? You should know the theory thoroughly, then only you can pair up. Now some catalysts are given and is given the properties and nickel. Let me write the A, B, C, D, right? Nickel, vanadium pentoxide. B, we know that sulfur dioxide to convert into sulfur trioxide, that is, this is B, this B. And the next one is the diastase, is the enzyme, biological catalyst. In the fermentation process, starch is converted into the sugar by using the diastase enzyme, that is, and Q, the organic enzyme, that is organic material. And adsorption, that is, and accumulation of the molecules at the surface of the solid or liquid surface, right? D, C, R, that is just definition of the adsorption. Nickel, hydrogenation of the vegetable oils, that is, and S, A is S. So that is nickel. Anything that is the double bond can be hydrogenated by using the, so the double bond can be hydrogenated, double bond CH2 treated with the H2 in the presence of pi center can be hydrogenated by CH3. So nickel, Rennie nickel, normally called as the Rennie, is used as the catalyst, and it's simple this thing and very very simple. But you should know the what V2O5. So you should know the what the, it is used in the lead this and sulfuric acid preparation. The sulfuric acid, sulfur dioxide is first converted into sulfur trioxide. In that process, catalyst is required, that is the V2O5. And the next one is the sulfur trioxide, is that is absorbed with the sulfuric acid, where oleum is formed. Oleum on dilution gives the, that is sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. These are all the related to the chemistry part of the reaction part. Next, it's given the 4 options, A, B, C, D. Simple. Very simple. Activated charcoal, carbon powder is the charcoal, that is, and this is, see, a device to absorb poisonous gases, one of the adsorbents. Yes, this is one of the adsorbent, that is Q. This is the right term. B, X by M is equal to, it is a Freundlich adsorption isotherm. This is the, and for B, this is S is correct. Just equation is given. Humidity control, silica gel is used, right? That is the silica gel, and is used to absorb the moisture from the air. Gas mask, a device to absorb the poisonous gases. In the application also I explained, right? That is P is correct. Simple explanation, right? Now 8th one, A, B, C, D. Let me take the what these 4. Fog. Fog is liquid in air or gas type colloidal system. If the dispersion medium is gas, then it is called as the aerosol. Fog is an aerosol, yes. And that is a solid in, liquid in gas or air. Solid in gas or air is, both are aerosols. If the dispersion medium is gas or air, then that system is called as the that is aerosol. Milk emulsion, simple. Why do you call it as the emulsion? That is the oil is dispersed, fats are dispersed in the liquid, fats are dispersed in the water, is an emulsion. Or, and cheese, it is an example of gel. More of solid, less of liquid is trapped in it. That is the cheese is the example of the that is gel. That is P. Soap and lather, say foam. This is the case, right? Now, you see, physics option. So A, B, C, D and E. Let me write the capital. I am writing the capital letters. No, nothing is. Physisorption is a multimolecular phenomena, correct? Let us see. High heat of activation, no. Low heat of activation. High temperature is required, no. Low temperature is required. Low pressure required, no. High pressure is required. And the determination of the charge and the not relevant. Only the P is correct. See, chemisorption. It is not a multi-layer phenomena. High heat of activation, Q is correct. And this is high temperature, yes, higher temperature conditions are favorable. Both are correct. Both are explaining the phenomena. Babu, Sudu, Bharat ku cheppu. Chemisorption, activated adsorption. This is chemisorption. That is low pressure is required, no. Determination of the not relevant. Q and R are correct. And activated adsorption is nothing but the activated adsorption is nothing but the that is the here the C is activated adsorption is nothing but the chemisorption. So Q and R are correct. And desorption. For desorption, what is required? That is high temperature conditions are required. That is desorption, detaching. That is the high temperature conditions. That is R. And this is low pressure conditions. Also favorable. As the pressure decreases, there is the more and more desorption. Pressure increases, physical adsorption increases. Pressure decreases, physical adsorption decreases. That is the desorption increases. So RS are correct. And so C, what is C? QRS, RS. And next one is the electroosmosis. Yes, determination of the charge on the colloidal particles. That's the, electroosmosis. So this is the, for B and C, more than one is correct. Now A, B, C, D. Let me write these things. Right? Placing the silica gel in water vapor. So what happens? Silica gel, when it adsorption takes, it is an adsorbent. Silica gel is an adsorbent. When it is placed, what it takes the water, adsorption takes place. This is R is correct. Adsorption takes place. Placing anhydrous calcium chloride in water vapor. So that is absorption takes place. Thus calcium chloride absorbs this one. Therefore S is correct for B. Right? Placing finely divided nickel in closed vessel containing the hydrogen gas. That is that phenomena is called as the occlusion. The adsorption of the gas on the surface of the solid is called as the occlusion. Q is correct. Shaking of dilute KCl solution with blood charcoal. See, this blood charcoal is nothing but there are the lamp black and that's activated charcoal, lamp black and wood charcoal and animal charcoal and Japanese charcoal. There are several this thing, and one is the blood charcoal. Nothing, that is the based on the preparatory procedures, and that's it is an adsorbent. So that is dilute KCl. On with dilute KCl, what happens? The negative cation absorption takes place. That is KCl will be more inside. That is the bulk of the charcoal, and less on the surface. That is called as the negative adsorption. Negative adsorption. This is, and ST. D is T. Less of it. If you take the concentrated KCl, that is positive adsorption. conversion of the protein into amino acids. So protein is a polymeric material. The enzymes, organic material, biological material, that is enzymes only catalyze the that's breaking of the proteins into its constituent particles, that is amino acids are the monomers of the proteins, which are considered as the biological proteins, biological polymers. So this is the enzyme catalysis. This is P is correct. So this is the